Hello and good day. Yes, we are continuing this farm place, or what is it? I don't know. But there seems to be a couple places to check. This is locked, I remember, and that we already checked in last video. And there seems to be a nice old car, and I don't know, remember exactly what there was. Was it locked? Darn, it was. Wonder what it was inside. I think somebody's home. I don't. Feels weird. Okay, I have no business in there. I got this part out. But okay, just wanted to show what's historical stuff is in here. Look at this car. What car was this? I don't know much about cars, but maybe you guys know. Three years ago when I was here, there was plants growing all over this car. I mean from inside too, like that one, but much more. Whoop. But what inside here it is? Very old place. Whoa, feel like the door is rip the whole door off. I guess what we always do, squeeze in. Where am I going? Yes. Ooh. I don't want holes in my new Dexter shirt. Ooh. I just got scared. I thought that was some kind of skin, ripped off skin of someone. Fishing cage, hook for something, I don't know. If you've seen Texas Chainsaw Massacre beginning, you know what I might think about. Some kind of wrench. There's a lot of kind of historic stuff in here, so if you appreciate this kind of thing, so that's why this is cool. Just look at this old bike. Something like a 50s bike. With these strings, or what are these? Don't work. It's all rusted. Whoa. What is this? I don't know, but rust is falling off my hand. And that spike. And those things. That's a sight on the left side. Oh, those two are two sides. Equals three sides. Yeah, everybody have seen Sesame Street. So it's already 3 p.m. and I'm really far out of my camping place. But I have filmed a lot of stuff. That's a good thing. Now, there's a good air conditioner. Nice view though. I like clouds. I really like them. Some hay storage, perhaps. Nice thingy. I don't know what that is. And here's the hay thing, almost broken. And I broke it. Darn. Is there anything? I shouldn't trust anything where I step on. When I opened the window, I saw a yellow car. After that, I never seen it again. The end. Whew. Should we climb up or just go around outside? I think outside. Take a note, practice some, what is it called? Stabilization or moves. And I don't know what I'm explaining about. I have to scare everything in here. I just want to get in my tent and sleep. Maybe buy some candy. Are you recording still? Really hot day. Maybe like 25 degrees, I would say. The 2 door, 1 door. Oh, let's check out the body. You! That's bad. Cotton. I hate that. I really do. Ugh. A car! I have no idea if you guys see this. But I trust you do, because this isn't so dark. Yeah, this definitely was some garage or some, men's place to fix cars and take a drink and do everything that others deny. It was open. Huh. Hey, I remember these. Hey, it was like almost 30 years ago when I see this last time. You might leave now from this video. The rest of the videos will be me doing this. Hey, maybe a little closer. Wait it. Do it together. No, just same. What's going on? I don't care anymore. Okay. Okay, okay. Nicely preserved. Or not. Stay a little, check out here. Huh. I might actually need this. Sorry, to fix that camera. Hey, 10 pennies. That was before euro. And 1 markka. 1 mark. And map. Okay. Whew. No. Is there anything else? Yes. So this video is complete. No, we need to find a shoe. Hey, tea kettle. And there's some really rusted milk can. An old Finnish snow sled. Car doors, car hood, couple of milk cans, rusted ones, one car wheeling steering wheel, I mean. Mail, no. Can we get in here? Yes, we can. I assume it would be sauna. And I see a first thing when I saw when I opened the door was beer bottle. That means it's a sauna. There isn't sauna without beer. Okay, now I can take my flashlight. Oh. Hey, there's way into. I don't know if this work of vandals or just nature's decay. Really interesting looking fire stove, or what is it called? Not really, doesn't look very expensive. So, like I said many times, that's where we put the cold water, so we heat it and mix it with the cold water so we can get a nice comfortable washing water. Just wash ourselves and pour the water on us. Hey, old milk, kulutusmaito. And this is piimä. I don't know if you drink this. I don't know how to say it in English.
beam.
Kind of a thing that milk is before process of the milk. I don't know. So, so should we quit this episode? What is this? Oh, should we check out quickly that barn that was on the near one? Yeah. Put this on pocket. Do I have the memory still left? And there's a nice car and nice field. Kind of pretty. But I'm still wondering the mystery of this place. It's pretty good shape, no vandalism. Very old style of lock in there. And nobody obviously happy living in there. So I wonder why nobody haven't broken in there yet. There's a railroad there. I checked it 3 years ago. But now it's time to quit this episode. I'm going to show you some pictures of 3 years ago. 3-year-old pictures of this same place and see if you notice any differences. And also it's time to thank my latest supporter in Patreon. She supported me a certain amount, so in the reward system she gets a private chat with me and bonus footage videos and seeing my videos more early than others. And the supporter names is Donna Bolton. That's one of the reward systems that I name my donators in here. There's just for fun, check out the reward system in Patreon. You don't have to participate if you don't want to, but check it out. I have big plans in my future. And don't worry, the Belgian videos are coming, but I want to show you guys this trip first. So we are going to move on chronologically, chronologically, I don't know, just in right order, time order. Oh, hey. But now it's time to quit this episode, so please do thumb up and subscribe if you haven't, and share if you can. Those things do help me a lot. And there's a bell picture in the subscription box near that if you want to get notifications when my videos are getting uploaded, because YouTube sometimes don't let other people know or show new videos. So that's a drag bomb. I don't know the right curse words that are fitting here that aren't too vulgar. Okay, I'm babbling now. Okay. Oh, quitting problem. Just say bye, Janne. Goodbye. See you next episode. Bye bye.